Around Chattanooga, folks sometimes ask, what exactly is the smart grid? Well, it's many things, but one of the most important is that it recognizes and reacts to power outages better than a traditional grid. Imagine a storm knocks over a tree. On a traditional grid, the power goes out, and even though another substation has power, there is no automatic way to get it to you. You could be without power for hours while crews search for the damage and make repairs. With EPB Smart Grid, things are different. The smart meter on your house reports that it's not getting power. Along with nearby sensors, the location of the outage is reported to our control center through our fiber lines. Meanwhile, smart switches have talked to each other and automatically rerouted power around the damage. Power is restored so quickly that you might only notice a blink of the lights. By reducing the impact of outages, EPB Smart Grid puts the power back where it belongs, in the hands of Chattanoogans. That's pretty smart.